husbåde, der ligger lidt rundt omkring her i Københavns Havn og kanaler. Nogle af de husbåde, vi har, de er faktisk restauranter, og vi har endda også et hotel. Og læg mærke til børsens bier. Det består nemlig af 4 sammenstykkede draghaler, og øverst op på toppen, der har vi 3 kroner. De skulle symbolisere Kalmarunionens 3 lande, nemlig Danmark, Norge og Sverige. On your right hand side, you can now see the old stock exchange that dates back to the 17th century. Please notice the spire. It consists of 4 intertwined dragon tails, and on top of the spire, we have 3 crowns, which symbolizes the 3 Scandinavian countries, which is Denmark, Norway, and Sweden. The tall round tower we can see here in front of us and to the left, behind some trees and some buildings, is the steeple of Our Saviour's Church. And this church was built in the late 17th century. On the outside of the steeple, it has a winding stair with almost 200 steps, and you can actually walk all the way to the top. Øverst oppe på toppen af tårnet, der står der så en 3 meter høj forgyldt Kristusfigur. Kristus har en sejrsfane i hånden. Statuen her skal altså symbolisere kristendommens endelige sejre i Europa i det 17. århundrede. And on top of the steeple, there is a 3-meter tall Christ figure, and Christ is carrying a banner in his hand. This statue symbolizes the victory of Christianity. Christianshavn means Christian's Harbor, and it was founded by King Christian IV 400 years ago, and with Amsterdam as a model. And here at the entry of Christian's Harbor, you can see some examples of some of the houseboats that are situated here in Copenhagen's harbor and canals. Some of the houseboats that we have are actually restaurants, and there is even a hotel. Her i starten af Christianshavns kanal. Københavns Havn, den er nemlig udgravet af svenske krigsfanger helt tilbage i 1670'erne. And we begin our tour here in a part of Copenhagen which is called Nyhavn, also known as New Haven. And New Haven actually means new harbor, even though it's not that new. It was stuck out by Swedish war prisoners in the late 17th century.